Hey guys, guess what? It is time to start planting some seeds, and I am super excited. I normally buy plants from Lowe's or my nursery, and they have gotten so expensive. It was like $5 last year for a plant, just the smallest one. They were so expensive. So I decided this year I am starting them inside, and you can get a whole pack of seeds for the same price as one plant, if not cheaper. These were on sale at Abode's, all of the organics, 40% off. So I stocked up on a whole bunch of them. I really prefer to do organic, and the ones that you get at Lowe's and in your nurseries, you don't really know if they are or not. So these are supposed to be certified organic, so I'm counting on them being truthful. This year, I am doing them, like I said, inside, starting these seeds. So you're going to be going on this journey with me and seeing how they progress. I will go ahead and post this video, and then I'll come back later and we'll do an update to see how everything is going. I've been doing a lot of studying, watching a lot of videos, and trying to figure out what's going to work best for me. I dedicated a bookcase in my office so that I can put grow lights, like hang them above. And I just emptied my bookcase, and it's just going to be for growing seeds right now. So I'm kind of excited about this. I hope it works. If it doesn't, then we'll go back to buying the big plants next year. So first thing I'm going to start is some Roma tomatoes. I love Roma tomatoes, especially in my Italian dishes and when I make my chicken scallopini. Romas are very, very delicious. So what I have done, and I had a friend who just passed away this last week. Gosh, I didn't know I was going to get emotional. But he had given me some tomato and pepper plants last year, and he had them and had just started them in cups. And I thought, well, that's so easy. That was awesome. So I was watching a video recently, and it had the guy had used cups, but he also showed where you could use 2 cups. And of course, you poke holes in the bottom of these. But if you don't poke them in these, only poke them in these, then when your roots start growing out the sides down here, then they continue to keep growing and they don't get root bound. So your plant just gets bigger and bigger and very, very full. So I'm going to try it this year. I have the neatest app that I found. It's called Seed to Spoon. And you can download it, and it looks at your location so it knows which zone you are in. And then it goes through, it has vegetables, it has fruits, it has herbs, it has some flowers on there, but it tells you when you're supposed to plant everything. And like you go scrolling through there, like right now, I go scrolling through, and up on the side it says plant indoors now or plant outdoor now. So it's so amazing. So that is an excellent help. You can pay a little bit extra, and I think it's $4.99 a month if you want to use it to like create your garden space, and you can add it to your calendar, and it'll tell you exactly when things are supposed to sprout and when you're supposed to plant them outdoors, and then when it should be time to harvest. So it's super cool. Y'all should really go take a look at it. I think it's a local Oklahoma guy that actually created it, and he did an amazing job. It is very, very professional. I went through that app. Of course, it's on my phone where I am recording this right now. So I went through and I made my notes on all of my little packages here of my dates. And so if I needed to plant it indoors, I'd put indoor, and then I put the dates that I'm able to start them. And then I have all of my outdoor ones already put off to the side because I'm going to go get them in the ground. But I look on the back here, and of course on the back of these it tells you exactly how deep you need to plant them because everything is different. So some of them need to be planted a 1/4 inch, some a 1/2 inch, and some 1 inch. So I took my little Sharpie here. I love the size of it because I can actually get the seed down in the hole easy. So I marked on here a 1/4, a 1/2, and a 1 inch. So that when I have my dirt in here, and you don't want it packed in there, like don't go squishing it really hard. I put my dirt in here, which mine is actually Happy Frog. It's the kind that I heard was the best for starting seeds. So I bang it on the ground, or not on the ground. So I bang it on the table a little bit, and then just kind of push it just a little bit. I'm not packing it really hard. So then I would just take this and put it in the middle and just go down until I get to that 1/4 inch. And that's my see that? Really cool. So I'm going to go through here on all of my cups that I have. I already have my holes drilled in the bottom of all of them. And then these do not have a hole. And I've just stuck them in here like that. So I'm just going to go through here and make all these little holes because these are the ones for my Roman tomatoes. This Happy Frog dirt is so good. It is very light. There's not a lot of chunks or anything in it. It is great for starting these seeds. So let me get y'all down here so y'all can see what I'm doing. Okay, I have another neat little trick, and it was just get a straw, and I cut it in half so it's not so long. Put it in that little hole and drop the seed in it. That way it goes right where it's supposed to go. There we go. Now I am just barely gonna cover these up. I don't want to push them down too awful hard. Okay, next I'm going to just go ahead and stack these inside my little tray here. And these fit 9 perfectly in here. These trays I got from Amazon. These are just 10 by 10 dripping trays. I'll put them in the comments so you'll have a link and you can see where I got them. I think I got a 10 pack for like $22, but I got them a couple of years ago and you just use them over and over. So the next thing I'm going to do, I got some little popsicle sticks or craft sticks. And I'm going to write on here what these are because I will forget. So I'm just going to write on here Roma tomatoes. And just stick them down in the side like that. Okay, I have them all here. Now, another thing that I found that I just love already is this neat little watering thing. Isn't it adorable? So I can fill it up and take it back to my office to water everything and not have to bring all of my plants in here. But you take this little thing and you pump it up. It has a little nozzle here and you can have it on a mist or you can have a stream. I am doing a light mist so that I don't wash those seeds up out of there. But look at this. Now I want to keep these moist. So So every day I'm going to be testing, making sure that they are staying nice and moist. And I don't have to worry about overwatering because I do have those holes in there, and this other cup will catch that. I love the clear ones because you'll be able to see when the roots start coming through down there. So I'm going to take you guys back there and show you my little setup, and then I'm going to finish planting all my other seeds. I'll be back. Here they are. Here's my little lights that I got. And I just got a little eye hook right up there. I don't know if you can see it, but there's a little eye hook up there. A little tiny one. And I drilled in and screwed it into the bottom of my bookcase. I made sure it wasn't long enough, too long to where it was going to go off the top. And then just hung them up here. They connect in the middle. There's 2 of them in this deal. I'll put the link in for them too. And then I just ran the cord back here and down. What I do have coming in on Sunday is a surge protector so that it has a smart outlets so that I can do timers with my Alexa app and tell it to come on at certain times of the day and then go out. But I actually put some foil down here so that it would reflect even more light up in here. And then just put them. This bookcase is like 36 inches wide, I think. So these are 10 inches wide, so I can actually fit 3 across on each shelf. There are 1, 2, 3, 5 shelves. So I'll have another one up here, and then I still have a bunch of stuff and everything on the other ones, but this will get me started, and I'm so excited. But we're going to keep watching and see what they do. So that's what I am doing. I am so excited to get this started, and so I am going to go ahead and get some other things going. I've got some yellow squash, some zucchini, my cantaloupe, eggplant, California Wonders, and some jalapenos. I also have some sunflowers that said to start indoors, and these are the mammoths. I love having beautiful sunflowers for the bumblebees. I also have some poblanos that I saved. I'm hoping that they will do something. I don't know if they will or not, but I'm going to sure as heck try. And then everything else, which I have some celery. I hear it's not the easiest. I'm going to try. I'll try probably one, and if it starts coming up, then I will continue. But that is all that I can do right now in my zone, except for the stuff that can go outside. And so we'll go outside. It is too cold today. We had a cold front come in, and it feels like 12 outside, so I'm not doing any gardening outside. But it's supposed to be 70 on Sunday, like 3 days away. It's going to be beautiful. So I'm going to get busy planting some stuff, and then I will come back with you guys and let you know how the progress is going. But y'all go get started on your gardens. Go download that Plant to Seed app. Get you a good gardening book if you don't have one. And there's so much. If you will get a good seed, and please go organic. Look on the back. It will even tell you what your zone is down here on the back of them. Tell you when to plant, how long to harvest, everything. It even tells you if you can start them indoors and everything. So try. Things have gotten so expensive. You really need to start growing your own food. That way you also know what is going in it. And I will talk to you guys later. Bye.